Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi, this is Monali Thakur, and yes, I'm gonna show you my makeup essentials today. I kind of like makeup, so yeah. This is basically like a small pouch of regular wear, like casual stuff. Not when I'm for gigs and stuff or studio makeup. No, I have a bigger bag. I had way many more products because there you need a lot of coverage, a lot of all that. But I will just take out stuff and then I'll show you individually what all I on a regular basis use to cover up stuff. Quite a few are there, by the way. So this is my Tom Ford base. It's so light and it's so real. It kind of moisturizes your skin and it gives a very nice glow. And I mix it up with, which is a little thicker one, which is the Armani one. And these are my color tones. One is a lighter, one is a little darker. So I mix it and it becomes my tone. So these are my foundations that I use. And I use Tom Ford, this is my regular powder. In India we need it because we sweat a lot. So this is to basically give coverage to my skin and set the foundation. And let me show you something that I really love, by the way. These two things. I have another shade. These are also Tom Fords. I'm quite a Tom Ford freak like that. This is so cool for your tint. It gives this nice natural glow to the skin. So even if you are kind of dehydrated or you're tired, your skin looks so... It kind of gives a nice glow, natural glow. This as well. These two, and this also has a bronzer. I love it. I just completely love it. This is one of the Tom Ford nude shades. If I had to choose between mascara and eyebrow, so it's a very difficult question though, I would have chosen eyebrows because I think it uplifts and kind of enlightens your face instantly, your eyes. I have many other nude shades, but this is one I carry because it's really real. And before I do all these things is my primer. I completely forgot. This is an Armani primer. It's quite nice. And I love thick eyebrows and I like drawing them. So I have this brush. I think this is a Sephora brush, if I'm not mistaken. And I have my gel. I actually have a big eyebrow palette, which is Damn Cool Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I cannot carry it in small pouches for regular stuff. That is for my shoot and stuff. This is a MAC brow gel, which is also really nice. So I thoda karke usko apply karti, and sometimes I even overdo it without realizing if the lighting is bad. And these are my favorite mascaras, Dior. I think they are the best in the world right now. So this is, and I have a very interesting thing. This is from this brand called Iconic London. This is a transparent lip liner. Because when you put lip liner, like some darker shade, and then you put lipstick, it kind of becomes really, this is quite real and natural. Then I have a liner, I've got some other shades. I carry a darker shade, YSL ka, Marc Jacobs. They gave me a sample, I really love it. I still cannot find where it is. It's one of my favorite nude shades. My favorite lipstick shade is either a Tom Ford nude or any nude which is a little moist, not too crazily matte, because it tends to make your lips look really dry. And yes, this is it, and some brushes and liner I already told. And if suppose I have to suddenly go for an important meeting or where I know that meeting or something, some shoot, suppose like this, and I am not prepared, then I carry this. This has got some nice cool shades, and the red, the entire spectrum of red eyeshadows are kind of in with gold and silver and everything. So it kind of has all the nice matte and also shimmery ones for normal, simple makeup, regular makeup. Yep. By the way, Tamanna in my single, we had used this shade and a darker shade, which is in another palette, for my eye makeup, in one of the eye makeups. I'll tell you which one. In the red dress, other than the blue lipstick one, there's also another makeup where in that phantom shot, slow-mo shot, I go up. Over there the eye makeup has this because red smoky eyes are so in these days, so we went for that darker maroonish red and mixed it up with this, and we had that look. And we also had used the brown. Yay! See, I love makeup. हो गया. Hi, I hope that you guys have liked this. I hope that you liked this episode where I am talking about my Easy Go makeup kit. I hope you guys liked the products. Not that I'm endorsing them, but if you have liked it, then please go and subscribe to Pinkvilla. And if you have not heard my song, or if you like my song, either way, then please go and subscribe to my channel. It's called Monali Thakur. Show your love, shower your love, and show your support, please.